Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will show you how to summarize the data frame by the categories of the columns with the groupby function. We'll work with the Titanic dataset to make the explanation practical. We will solve the questions such as which was the maximum age of males and females in the Titanic, how the groupby works in detail, and who paid more on average to go the Titanic based on the class and the sex. So, without further ado, let's get started. In this data frame, every row represents a person on the Titanic, and we have characteristics for each person, if they were alive or not after the accident, the class that they went, the sex, the age, and the fare, the price they paid to get aboard the Titanic. The first question is, which was the maximum age of males and females in the Titanic? If we take a look at the data frame, we see that the columns they are asking for is sex and age. So which is the function that will group the data frame based on males and females? We use the function groupby, and if we take a look at the parameters, the first one by, ask for the groups of the groupby. In other words, the categorical column. In this case, sex, so by equals sex. And then we need to pass the numerical column in which we want to apply the mathematical operation. In this case, the age, and the mathematical operation, the maximum value. We put a parenthesis because max is a function, we execute, and here we can see that the oldest female was 63 years old and the male 80. But wait a second. You may be wondering about all of these elements in this line. Let's explain it in detail. So when we apply the function groupby, we get an object DataFrame.groupby that we can save it into a variable, for example df grouped, and we would have expected to have a data frame with rows and columns. Nevertheless, we get this text that has to do something with DataFrame.groupby. If we apply the function getGroup and we tell one of the groups that we have gotten, for example male, we get a data frame with just the males in the rows. The same for the females, who were 314. Now, if I apply the maximum value, I can put the max and I get the max on each column. The same for females. But I want to make all of these operations all together. So in the original data frame of the Titanic, I make the groups different data frames based on the categories of sex, one data frame for male, another for female, and I can apply the maximum value. But if I want just one of the columns that I see here, I could have used the age here. And I get this result because in the original Titanic, I grouped by males and females, and on each of both data frames, I just selected the age column to calculate the maximum value based on the rows who were male and the rows who were female. Also, which other operations could we do with the groupby? For example, I can calculate the minimum value, I can also calculate the average value with the mean, and many others that I have found in this answer of Stack Overflow. If we click on this link, we can see all of the functions that we can use with the groupby object, such as the standard deviation, or the variance, or the sum. Now let's move on to the following exercise. Who paid more on average to go on the Titanic based on class and sex? So if I ask to the data frame, df Titanic, the key columns here are the class and the sex and the fare, which is the price of the ticket. So when I want to group the data, they ask for by, the columns that I want to use. As I want multiple columns, I want to use a list of labels, a list of columns. So I use the brackets to reference the list, and I put the class and the sex columns, which are the categorical ones. If I execute, I get this data frame grouped by objects that, as we explained before, we can access a column, in this case the fare, and the mathematical operation we want to apply. The average, which in Python code is the mean value. We execute, and here we get the results. The type of person who paid the most on average are females on first class. As an addition to this tutorial, I will show you how to visualize this data. First, we need to turn this into a data frame. So I want to apply the function resetIndex, and here I have the data frame. I save it into a variable, dfr of result, and then I use the functions from the Plotly library because they are interactive. As I want to plot categorical and numerical data, I will use a bar plot. The parameters ask for the data frame, the x and the y. So data frame equals dfr, the one that I have here. On the x-axis, I would like to have the class. On the y-axis, the height of the bar, I want to be the numerical column, the fer. And the color I will set a different color for each sex. I execute and I see here the graph, but if I want to have the bars next to each other, I use the parameter bar mode equal group, and here I have clearly that the person who paid the most is females on first class with 106. So I hope that you have understood how the groupby function works when you want to summarize the data frame by categories of the columns. If you'd like to master the Python code to summarize and visualize the data, you can access the Python course that we have prepared for data visualization. I will leave the link in the description. Have a good day.